Let's take a quick tour of Jarhead Farm this morning. They give me beautiful large brown eggs. Here we've got figs, plum tree, apple tree, cherry trees. My red curry hokkaido's going in here. There's a peach tree. Got some Concord grapes. Of course, the bees. Getting most of my planting done today. We've got potatoes in that garden and collards. We've got blackberries here. Peach. This will be pretty much my tomato garden. There's Jacob Yoder, raspberries, blackberries. My winter squash garden's going to be there. We've got a lot more to plant in here and here. Asparagus coming up nicely. That's cilantro. Onions everywhere. Another asparagus patch over here. Potatoes here. Collards. Peppers will go in there. More onions. Got a lot going on here at the farm this morning. More potatoes here. There are my cold frames. I guess I better quit messing around and start getting some things in the ground.